Hey, just a quick reminder about the beginning of our 3 weeks of training on how to monetize your AI content. We start tomorrow morning on October the 21st at 8 a.m. Pacific. We have a total of 3 different sessions, but you have 2 opportunities a week to attend the session. So we have our 8 a.m. session on Tuesday, and then we have a 4 p.m. Pacific time session on Thursday to try to accommodate all the time zones. You can attend as many of these classes as you want to, but they're basically going to be the same content for each week as we go along. Because we're going to be focusing a lot on how to use OpenArt's story making tool, OpenArt has graciously allowed us to give you all some free credits for following along with the course. But you have to attend each session to get the code to use those credits. I think that's fair. Again, it's free, it's live. You can sign up following the link in the description below. Here is the official promo. We live in a time now where the most amazing ideas can become viral videos in minutes. This is happening on platforms like YouTube and TikTok all the time. Hi, I'm Bob Doyle, host of the Bob Doyle Media channel here on YouTube, where we discuss the creative uses of AI. And all of these channels are using AI-driven storytelling and music and animation. And the channels are exploding with millions of views and thousands of dollars in ad revenue. And a lot of these channels just start with one creator and a laptop. This is where OpenArt.ai comes in, and especially with their story feature. You can write in a short idea, drop in some music, and a few minutes later, you've got a shareable video ready to go. But we all know the catch with this. While AI may be able to create great visual content, it's not a master at creating connection. And that's where you, as the human being, come in. When you add your own creativity, your own humor, your own emotion in your own story, AI then becomes your creative crew. And you're not just building videos, you're building a brand. So how do you even get started with this? Well, that's where I come in. I'm inviting you to join me for a live course that's going to span over 3 weeks, where we get into all of this, like how channels are monetizing with AI-assisted videos fast, and how to create songs and stories that actually feel human and not like AI. And finally, how to use OpenArt's suite of tools to bring all of this together. And by the end of this course, you'll be ready to create a video suitable for entering into OpenArt's music video contest. And it could even be the foundation of your own next viral channel. So if you've got a story to tell or a song to sing, let's show you how to make AI your creative collaborator, not your replacement. And let's create something super cool.